ordered something yesterday and it's already here.
Yeah, oh, right here.
What is it? Oh yeah, I ordered this for myself. This is for when I straighten my hair. You hold the straightener here and then you put this on your hair and it keeps your hair straight so it doesn't get all knotted and stuff. So there's two of them. I thought I would keep one for me and one for Finesse. I'll show you that later. Let's see what's in here. Woohoo! So it's just a drawer organizer for your spoons and stuff, but it's so cool because it expands as wide as your drawer. I forgot to measure the drawer, so I hope it fits. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Oh, I think I opened it upside down, but that's okay. Oh, yay! Oh, wow. So here it is. Yay, go put it in the drawer. After I put it in the drawer, I'll show it to y'all. But you see it, you can expand it. Isn't that awesome? And the one, I'll show you what we have going on right now in our drawer and why I'm kind of excited about this because our drawer's a mess right now. But yeah. And this was only like $20-something on Amazon. So let's go put it up. Let's see how this works. Hold on. So yeah, I think all you do is just, yeah, see, it expands like that. So as big as you need it, it'll expand. That is so cool. Let's go try it out. So this is what we have going on right now. I really love this one, and this has always worked nicely, and I like how it has white on the inside. That one doesn't. And this one is the same concept as that, where it expands, but when we were living in an RV, this was for the RV, and you see how this expands too, see? So that's cool, but I don't like how that looks, really junky with the wooden one and then the plastic one, so I want to have one uniform one. So let's transform this drawer. Let me clean the drawer first. Got everything out. Let me clean it up. That is just something that is stuck on there. Okay, so let's see. Yay! That is fantastic. Oh, I was hoping it would go all the way to the edge, but that's good enough. That's better than what we did have. Yay. Yeah, I was hoping it like took up the whole space, but we can put long stuff right there. So let's fill her up. Okay, so this is what I have going on now. I love how the spoon, the bigger and smaller are next to each other. We used to have it behind, the bigger here, the smaller up there. And so that was a little irritating. So I like that it's all right here. Sorry, that's my grandbaby. So there's this, and then let me show you where I moved the two items, the two organizers I had in here. I put them to use. I always keep my spices right here next to the stove. And since I'm right-handed, I usually keep the ones that I use most often over here. So I used that bamboo organizer with the white bottom for my most used spices. And we're in the middle of painting our cabinets, guys. That's why that one's white. And then over here, I used that white one, the RV organizer for Petrova's plastic spoons and stuff. And then we have space over here for all my little packets of seasonings and stuff. So there it is. So like I said earlier, the cabinet doors are off because we're in the middle of painting our cabinets. You can see blue tape right there. So yeah, that's what we're doing. For the past 3 or 4 weekends, we've been painting and sanding our cabinets. So they should be done in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. Shouldn't take that long, but it's taking us long because Adam's doing it on his time off. So if you see weirdness back there, that's what's happening. So here is the little comb thingy that I'm talking about that I just got from Amazon with that drawer organizer. Please don't mind me, I look really, really bad. But it's called Easy Comb, see? And so I've never tried it, but I've seen them used on YouTube, and I've wanted to try it myself because, as you know, when you're straightening your hair, you're going like this and you're trying to keep the hair straight, and so this comb is supposed to keep the hair straight so that you don't have little bumps in there. It says, the essential tool for straightening professional series. Great for use with any flat hair iron, heat resistant and anti-static. Ooh, that's awesome. superior strength with just the right flexibility. Awesome. And it's called Easy Comb. So yeah, let's try this out. I love this. Oh yeah, I can just see how that would work nicely. So let's say you're wanting to straighten this piece. See how it goes into there? See, there's holes down here on the bottom and the comb goes right through there. See, that's nice. See? Nice, nice, nice. I should have combed my hair first. Let me comb my hair really quick first. All right, so let's say that you're, let me see, how would I do this? I would probably straighten with this hand and probably comb with this hand. But you see how you go like this, and as you're going down, see the comb in front is making sure that there's no bumps, no tangles or anything. That is so cool. This is going to be so handy. And then afterwards, you don't have to burn your hand because your hair is so wet. You can just, this is so cool. I love it, I love it, I love it. Because I'm always going like this, and once you go past once, if you have to go past again, my hair is hot and it burns my hand and it hurts. Well, now I won't have to worry about that because I'll just be doing this now. That is so cool. Very awesome. Love this. Just a little teeny tiny little tool, and it was just a few bucks from Amazon. And it's called Easy Comb. Yay! Love it. Love, love, love. Let me see. See, look at how easy it is to use. Fantastic. I wish I could take a thumbnail. Awesome. All right, so that is what I got from Amazon today. If you like these little short Amazon unboxings, let me know and I can keep doing more of them. Just give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.